Hiya Duck, today I'm going to show you how to do a nail obs. This is a nail channel, believe it or not. But I'm going to show you how to do a marble, like a real embossed marble stone design. So let's get cracking. So I've got my nail prepped already on my Aliana hand. I'm going to base coat this. Base coating this nail will give great adhesion. So if you're doing this on a natural nail, make sure you prep the nail first, wipe over with clean up solution, and then apply your base coat and cure that for 30 seconds. And the colour that we're going to use today is Kamila. And this colour is named after our ambassador. She's named Kamila and her Instagram is Glamalicious Nails. It's a gorgeous purple with a shimmer. And we're going to do 2 coats of this and we'll cure each layer as we go. Okay, then we're going to use these little trinkets. So, because I want it to have like a border around it, and I don't know what shape to do. Do we just do round?
I don't really know what you're doing, so I can't. Oh, you mean you want it to be like a stone?
Like a stone.
Like a brooch kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, roundhouse there then.
Yeah.
Or oval.
Oval, yeah. But what you'll notice is this won't be exactly the same curve as the nail. And so it doesn't, you've got gaps here and here. So what we're going to do is we're going to bend it. So I'm going to use the spatula and I'm just going to press on each side to bend that, to make it slightly more curved. That's a little bit too curved, so let's just flatten that a little bit. That's better. That sits a lot flatter now to the nail. I'm going to put that on with some crystal totalis. So I'm just making sure it's got all those edges here. And pop that in the lamp. And then we're going to mix some white, which is white marshmallow, or marshmallow white, acrygel. And I want a little bit of pink glimmer. Then I want a little bit of Kamila. I'm just going to pop that there. And I want a tiny bit of black as well. So I'm going to get void. So this is our gel polish. You don't need a lot. And I'm going to take the spatula. I'm just going to run that through and press that in. Black. Press that in. That in, and I'm going to pick that up, fold it a little bit, just going to roll that on. I'm going to get the Mr. Buttons brush and shape this, and what you can do is move it around. So you get those little lines running through. You can always add a little bit more colour if you want to. I think I just want a little bit more. Yes, I'm just using the design needle end of the paddy picker upper. Just add a little bit of that gel polish. You want to move it around so you get these little vines. Veins? Not vines. They're not vines, are they? I heard it through the grapevine. I just want to take off a little bit of excess because I think it's a little bit high. Get rid of that. And we're going to make that into a dome. So my brush is going into the clean-up solution, and that'll act as like a lubricant, to give us that slippy slidey effect with our brush, so we can slip and slide over it and arrange that dome how we want it. I don't want it sat on top of the gold frame. I still think it's a little bit high. So let me take out a little bit more. So just scrape that off with the spatula. And we can shape that. Just going to pull it up. Just sweeping up the sides to get it nicely domed, and then I'm just going to flatten it a tiny bit at the top.
Looks like something out of Downton Abbey.
It does, doesn't it? Look at that. And you've got that gorgeous little marble. Let's pop that in the lamp. Give it a cure. So it's a 90-second cure. Then we're going to use the microbeads. So notice I haven't top coated anything yet. We're going to use microbeads here to add a little bit more decoration. Might even get a gem. Now we're looking very vintage. And I'm going to do the same here. So I'm going to add some more microbeads here. So once that's cured, and you can do this with any kind of gel polish, any colour gel polish, just add that little bit into it to get that marble. Don't overwork it and slap it around everywhere because it'll just mush into one big mess. You want to keep those fine little lines. So once that's cured, we're going to top coat. And by top coating at this stage, you know, we are not top coating and then having top coat again. It's also going to keep everything on because we're going to butt up the top coat right up to those stones, microbeads. So that's extra security. And then we're also going to top coat over our marble stone. So it's a bit like a cameo in a way, isn't it?
Have you ever done a Fabergé egg now?
Oh, it is a bit Fabergé, isn't it, this? Oh, coffee. Coffee. He makes a good brew. Coffee and tea. Don't you, Adam?
I've got to keep people happy.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Do you like it? I like it. It's, do you know my mum would like this because it's very vintage.
It's a very deep colour as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Kamila.
The Kamila colour is beautiful. So that's another way you can use your acrygel, not just for creating structure, but we can do art with it as well. So everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please, please, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. I know some of you miss videos because Facebook and Instagram are a little bit naughty at times.
And YouTube as well.
And YouTube, sorry, I didn't. YouTube more so, probably, to be honest. A little bit naughty. And you keep missing stuff, so we don't want you missing. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra,